Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be creating a tab navigation bar with Flutter. Firstly, we create a new Flutter project and we call it tab underscore example. We got a fresh new Flutter project. Next, we remove all the comments, which are helpful at the beginning, but then they produce a lot of noise. And we will also delete some pages of code, which are the increment counter, text, and floating action button. After that, we create in our scaffold a bottom navigation bar. Here we have an icon that can change to any other that are supported by default. We can add a label, and of course, we can add actions when the user taps here and so on. But we will leave it as it is. Additionally, we declare this variable, which will be useful for us in order to know which tab has been selected. Now, we will be adding an action here. The selected index is what the user has selected, and then we also need something to navigate through the other pages. We say page controller dot jump to the page that has been selected. Furthermore, we need to tell the current index is the selected index. This will be helpful when we want to highlight the tab where we are. Just like a web application, when you go to the other page, that other page is grayed out and the page where you are is focused. Moreover, we need a couple of screens and we add another directory called screens. We add three different screens: home.dart, business.dart, and school.dart. Here we say home screen and we also add this library. We want to add scaffold and just a simple message. We do the same for business screen and home screen. Finally, in our body, we don't need this anymore. We say page preview controller, our page controller, and the children will be our home screen, business screen, and school. And now we run our application and we see the final results. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.